Waterproof tonneau covers protect cargo from rain, snow, dust, and sun, ensuring year-round security, durability, and reliable truck bed performance. Today's video is about top 5 best waterproof tonneau covers for all weather that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Yhtauto Soft Roll Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Yhtauto Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover is a practical and budget-friendly upgrade for your pickup. Designed to perfectly fit Dodge Ram 1500, 2009 to 2018, Ram 1500 Classic, 2019 to 2024, and Ram 2500/3500, 2003 to 2024, models with a 6.4 feet, 76.3-inch bed without ram box, utility track system, or split tailgate. It's essential to measure your truck bed before ordering to ensure compatibility. Unlike expensive hardcovers, this soft roll-up option delivers dependable protection at a more affordable price. Built with water-resistant double-layer PVC and a sturdy aluminum frame, it effectively shields your cargo from rain, snow, harsh sunlight, and strong winds. Whether you're commuting or heading on a long road trip, your belongings stay safe and secure. The automatic locking mechanism at the tailgate adds convenience and security. Simply latch it tight and pull the yellow cord when you need quick access. With its sleek, low-profile look, this cover enhances your truck's style while potentially improving fuel efficiency at highway speeds. It's a smart blend of function, durability, and value. Now our second product is RealTruck Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The BAKFlip MX4 for the 2021 to 2026 Ford F-150, including Raptor and Lightning, with a 5 feet 7 inches, 67.1-inch bed, takes the world's best-selling truck bed cover to the next level. This upgraded model is now even more secure than Gen 2, featuring a patented, enhanced auto-latch locking system designed to keep your cargo on reliable, theft-resistant lockdown. Built for a tighter fit, the MX4 includes improved seals and all-new tight-fit clamps that deliver advanced weather protection. Whether you're facing heavy rain, snow, or blazing sun, this cover is engineered to keep water out and your gear protected. Proven in extreme environments from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Fahrenheit and humidity levels up to 95, it's tested from Alaska to Florida and backed by a solid 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Best of all, you get 100 bed access at all times. Simply fold the panels toward the cab, secure them in place, and drive safely with the cover fully open. No wasted bed space, whether parked or on the road. Our third product is Tutel Hard Shell Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Tutel Hard Shell Truck Bed Cover is a premium upgrade designed to fit 2015 to 2026 Ford F-150 models with a 5 feet 5 inches, 66-inch bed. Built with durability in mind, it features a strong aluminum frame and hinges finished in a sleek matte black powder coat. The panels are constructed from EnduraShield, an automotive-grade polymer that resists dents, fading, and scratches while staying cool to the touch even in hot climates. Operation is refreshingly simple. Just use the secure clamps to fold the cover up or lock it firmly in place. The clamps grip tightly onto the bed flange, ensuring a stable and secure fit whether you're driving across town or heading out on a long trip. Need full bed access? The cover can be removed in seconds by loosening the front jaw grip clamps. No tools or drilling required. With its extreme weather seals, hassle-free tension system, and low-profile design, the Tutel Hard Shell delivers reliable protection, clean styling, and everyday convenience in one rugged package. Now number 4, Soft Quad Fold Tonneau Cover. The Soft Quad Fold Tonneau Cover is a practical and stylish solution for 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 and 2019 to 2025 Ram 1500 Classic new body style models with a 5 feet 7 inches, 67.4-inch fleet-side bed, excluding ram box and split tailgate configurations. It's designed for a precise fit, so checking your bed size before purchase is essential. One of its standout features is the smart sealing system. The edges use 2 different types of foam, one for sealing and the other for structural support, creating a proper, tight gap between the cover and the truck bed. This design helps block out dust, rain, and wind for reliable cargo protection. Installation is incredibly easy. The cover comes fully assembled with no tools, drilling, or complicated setup required. Simply position it on the bed and clamp the rails into place. The unique arch design prevents water from pooling on the surface, enhancing its waterproof performance. Made from flexible, easy-to-clean PVC, this quad-fold cover combines durability, functionality, and sleek looks for everyday truck use. And our last choice is Tyger Auto Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This roll-up tonneau cover is designed specifically for 2019 to 2026 Ram 1500 models with a 5 feet 7 inches, 67-inch bed, excluding trucks with the utility track system, Ram box, multifunction, split, tailgate, and 2019 to 2024 Ram 1500 Classic models. Be sure to confirm fitment using your license plate and selecting the correct bed size before purchasing. Built with a US patented design, the cover is crafted from heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl with a durable dual coating for long-lasting performance. Integrated horizontal crossbars provide solid support when the cover is closed and conveniently roll up with the tarp to allow full bed access. Aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps ensure strong, secure mounting. For added protection, it seals tightly along the sides with Velcro strips and locks securely at the tailgate with a latch system. An adjustable tension system keeps the vinyl smooth and wrinkle-free in all weather conditions. Installation is straightforward with no drilling required, and it's backed by a reassuring 5-year warranty for US customers. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.